Okay, everyone, so let us take some time to review the exam, sample exam. And the first exercise says find an equation of the tangent line to the graph at the given point. And for this one, where this problem is asking us to do is to, you see here's a point, and there is a line that we call tangent that touches the function just in that point, and we want to find what is the equation of that line. For that, you have to remember that the equation of any line is given by this form: y equals slope times x times b plus b. So we need to find all of those values. The first one we can find is m, because remember that the derivative is that. The definition of derivative is the slope of the tangent line of a function in a point. So by definition, we can find the m from taking the derivative of f of x, which is a function that they are giving us here. How do we take the derivative of that function? Well, for that you need to take the quotient rule. Quotient. You remember the quotient rule, that is, whenever you have a function u over a function v, then the derivative of that function is given by this formula here, vu. You see? So we need to identify u, which is 16x, v, which is x squared plus 16, and then find u prime and v prime, which are the derivatives of these two functions. U prime is nothing but 16, v prime is 2 times x. Alright? Now that we have all these four elements, we need to write them back here in this order. So what is v? v is here, x squared plus 16 here. And what is u prime? Here, 16 minus v prime, which is 2x, times u, which is 16x. All of that over v squared. Okay. Now they are giving us a point here. So we want to replace this function m in this point -2, so that we know what is the value of the slope at that particular point. So now I could do some simplification here, or I can just place the number 2, -2, whatever it's better. I will multiply first here, this one here, and this one here. So that is 16x squared plus that is 16 times 16, which is 256. Yes, minus 32x squared, like this. Here it is square. I forgot to write that square. What is 16 minus 32? That is 256 minus 16x squared. And then here I have x squared plus 16 squared. See? So yeah, I think we cannot simplify much here. So yeah, I will now just replace. Instead of writing x, I will write -2, like this. and solve this. What is the answer to that? So that is 256 minus what is 4 times 16? That is 64 here over 20 square. Minus 256 is 192 over 400.